Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day everybody. My name is Albert Tan from Download Silo. On my left is Abdullah from this Ninja Tools. So how are you, Abdullah?
Hey, how are you? I'm good.
Okay, so before we start the webinar proper, maybe let me do some housekeeping with the audience. So I'm going to the live chat, talking to the people. Okay, guys, I see some of you guys already here, like for example, Thomas, Joginda, Kumar, Mizano. So please, guy, if you are in the live now, please state your name and say where are you from so that we know exactly who are the audience. So before we start, let me ask Abdullah some what I call personal question about himself and also about his company and about the two Ninja tools. So Abdullah, where are you from actually?
Uh, I'm based in San Francisco, USA, and then we're just building this product. Yeah.
Okay. So is it your first product or are you having what I call have you experience in actually other startup as well?
Yeah, we built a bunch of products, and this is the products that we are like, currently focusing on. It's basically just all-in-one everything app. Uh, Based on our previous experience, previous startup projects, this is projects that we think of, and we are very bullish about it.
Hmm. So can you tell us about your team? Because I know you're based in San Francisco. Where are your team? Are they all in San Francisco or are they distributed all over the world?
We are strongly intense on-site team. We live together, we work together. uh, yeah,
Okay, that means your support team, your coders are all in San Francisco.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. So just tell us what actually prompt you to do this Ninja tools.
So the reason why we did this before, before let's say before NinjaTools, how I work is I open a bunch of tabs and then uh, to see which kind of LLMs give me the best result. Let's say Meta, Cloud, like ChatGPT, like all the kind of LLMs. And then what I realized is, hey, let me just make a simple website with their API in one tab so that I can just use one input, one prompt, okay, get all the result and see which one gives me the best result. So it started that way. And then later on, like a bunch of like great AI things come up. Let's say like chat with YouTube, chat with PDF, like all other features, and then start adding it. And then people like around me likes the idea and want to try out. Yeah, that's how it started.
I see. So that's actually a good idea. And I mean, in the market, there are actually quite a number of tools actually using this model to what I call to assess different models, AI models. So my opinion is like this, it's very competitive in that sense because there are so many models, maybe 30, 40 active model around. So what are your models and what do you think that this is the what I call the go-to tools, for people who like to have a different what I call tools in one what I call dashboard.
Can you please like you mean like we have a lot of competitors or like there will be a
Yeah, you,
lot of
you
like
have some
model?
competitors, not a lot, but maybe could
Okay,
be could be some competitor exactly the
yeah.
same model. So, but sometimes I also feel that there are too many models to choose from. I also get confused.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For the competitors, we are quite open about like I first it's like kind of like validation, like people think your idea is great. Like maybe the copy all kind of thing. That's there will be competition. And second thing is like we are the best. We move fast. We are like in updating this product faster, and then we work hard in person, strongly on site, working day and night, make this product better. So we are quite like confident about ourselves. And then for the like LLMs, like a lot of models, it's definitely for sure. I think there will be more. So what we try to do is we will add the latest models, and also we will some maybe in the future like give some explanation to each model, and then even choose the models on behalf of the user to use the best model for their prompt.
Okay, that's good. And one more question that I mean the users or the member like to ask is actually, are your team a bootstrap or do you have actually a what I call investor behind you?
Uh, we got a little bit funding, but like mostly bootstrap. We can, yeah. That's our situation.
I see. Okay. So without further ado, I would like to invite you to go to the backend and show us, how to use your tool and why the audience should buy your tools. I'll show
Oh
the
yeah,
screen.
let me just share my screen.
Yeah, you are there. Just go to the right tab. Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Basically, how to say? As you guys can see, as you guys can see, this just idea of like putting all the AI features into one place, one subscription, and just one tab, so that people can use in one place, like for much more productivity. You don't need to, let's say, like you don't open ChatGPT here, like Matek here, Cloud here, all kind of like apps here. We just need one subscription, one tab. And second thing is like, let's say you subscribe to ChatGPT for $10, Cloud $20, and other apps $20. Which is like really expensive. What we are trying to do is we will like make it the most cost efficient product. Like and for subscription, we are like only starting from $11, but for the lifetime deal, you're starting from $79, which is like uh extremely cheap product. And then let's say for the like overall product sense, this is like first like a few sections. First section is a playground. Basically, what you can do is you can just, let's say, you can choose different models, different like how many models you can choose, and then you can just use one prompt to get all the answers. And second section is called create, and then and the create section, they like you can create images, music, and videos. And for third part is called tools. In this section, we just put like uh most like very frequently used tools, like say like mind map generation, chat is PDF, and writing library. Here you can find all the like best prompts. We already selected for you, we already polished for you. So let's say you have to script writer, this kind of little tools. And the next section is called AI models. Here we put all the models standalone chat. So if you want to like chat with one single specific model, you can just chat here. Uh, so yeah, this is the whole product, which is like very straightforward and very clean. Yeah, this is the overall product.
Can you demo some of your tools?
Oh yeah, okay. I think yeah, some people are asking some questions.
Yeah, don't look at the question first because
Okay.
it will distract you. We will answer the question afterwards.
Okay, let's say right now we select the six models. Let's say hi, and then they will give you the result. And if you want to see the specific one, you can just go there and you can have like, and then you can, let's say, you can get the results for your question. I think the thing that I like the most about is, let's say, give me a title for the introduction of webinar for the webinar about all-in-one everything. Yeah. Let's say like yeah. So this is like very great for uh like brainstorming and then get the best from different models. And then for the create part, you can create images and let's say uh, a a monkey is running on the moon. Yeah, yeah, it's like cute monkey. And let's say like music generation, like and then video generation, the same thing. You can like let's say different models, and then you can just use prompt and then generate here. And then for like mind map, let's say let's say how let's say like kind of like let's try this one. Like you can just give what kind of topics you want to generate mind map. So you wait a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, like let's say there's a power and adaptability of the human brain, and there's just like the different section, brain and biological superpowers, specialized brain regions. This is top to bottom, and layout. Let's see, as you can see, just gives you like overall picture of the topic you want to learn about. This mind map. So later on, we will add the mind map from YouTube video, website, and other medias. And let's check this PDF. Like you just need to like check it about like any kind of PDF you want to chat about, which is really straightforward. And the writing library, let's say, you just put a bunch of tools. Let's say tweet writer. I am doing a webinar about NinjaTools. Let's say, yeah, generating. Excited. Let's say it just gives you like very like great Twitter post, and then let's say here's that standalone chats. Let's say GPT-401. We have like a very great feature. Let's say this one to write an essay. This is called like artifact feature. It will give you it will give you the like it can generate you articles, spreadsheets, and even code, and you can like real time edit the article and make some changes.
Okay, Abdullah, just now you are showing the first time you showed there is a six model that is appear in your screen. I
Yeah,
want to ask what is the maximum number of model that can be shown at one time, at any
yeah,
time?
it's six.
Six is the maximum, right?
Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can choose different models.
Okay. Yeah, normally 3 to 4 will be a lot. Six will be the best, of course, but
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you will eat up a lot of your credits, you know.
You're right. You're right. So it's like best when you like I just want to try out brainstorm with different LLMs for the same input.
Okay, can we discuss a little bit about the tiers, you know, in the AppSumo? You have tier one, tier two, tier three, you know, talk about the limits, you know.
Yeah. Let's say like there are three different tiers. So let's say they have like different like chat messages per month, like 5,000 for tier one. Second one is 20,000. Third one is like 100K. So basically, what we like for credit usage, we say one usage is one credit consumption. So PDF analysis per month, it means that you can chat with 50 PDF once, 50 PDF per month, divided to 100, like 500. And for video generation, 5 can answer the RTX. So it's like very straightforward. One concept, one usage, one token, one credit.
Okay, for the image generation, so you're talking about 100 images you can produce.
This
So
is
is it
100.
all models or any models?
For image generation, there are just one. You can generate images here. So this is how many times you can use here.
Oh, so we don't choose the model that we want to use.
Right now there's a best model called Flux. That's what we are using under the hood. But later we will add other models. That's what we are working on.
Okay, so for video, it's only Kling and LTX.
Yeah, yeah,
How many of? It's only five Kling and 30 LTX for the first tier
yeah, yeah, yeah. Per month.
per month. Huh?
Yeah,
Okay, so I think it's quite straightforward because the deal is quite straightforward because
yeah.
it's only thing that what are the tier you're looking at, Okay,
You're right.
so I guess have any other thing to add?
I don't think so. We can look at the audience question.
Okay, that's good because I was trying to look at the chat. What are the questions they are asked? Okay, guys, if you are just come in, please go and ask any question you want since the founders is here. I will project the question up, and Abdullah, you can just look through and actually answer that. Hold on, let me stop the ticker first.
Okay. Yeah, I can
Okay.
just go through the questions. Let's say like
No, I will just
you.
put up to be
Okay.
better.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Then you won't get distracted. Okay,
Okay.
just
Cool.
this is the first question by just Tagis. Can you read the question and answer it
Yeah.
so that
Yeah. Yeah. I would love to see what are the biggest differentiators between NinjaTools and something like Merlin. Uh, I don't have like very like impression on Merlin. Like I didn't check it out very carefully the kind of like products, but we know that like there are a lot of competitors. So what I think, but like the thing is, what we want, like ultimately want to do is we want to build a the most cost efficient, the most productive, uh like the workspace AI workspace. That's what we are trying to do. And then later on, we are going to want to work for. We are going towards enterprise. Like you can invite your team members. You can. This is this is what we are trying to do. So uh, all others, let's say other products, all kind of like things we think it's like just noise. We're just going from one single direction, one signal, uh, all in one, the most cost efficient, the most productive AI workspace. And then,
okay.
yeah, next.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So, but Merlin has been here for quite some time. So a lot of people have bought before. So that's why
Oh,
this
okay,
can come
okay.
up. Okay, the second question by Hot. Do we have a do you have do we have to bring our own API key?
No, we provide the API, we provide the product. You don't need to do anything except an usage. Because the reason why is that like some people are like a little bit like technical background, some people don't. We don't want to confuse the users.
I see. So that means they cannot bring your own key, I believe.
Like we provided it, which is even better. You don't need to use your own API key, and you don't need to pay for the like API providers. We are doing it for you.
Okay. No, because this question always come up because some people say my usage is very huge, even the highest tier I also use up everything. That kind of things.
We will try to like add on, or like the maybe we can add it like let's say even that the biggest tire like that is not enough. you can request on our public roadmap. You can request a feature, and then we'll consider about it.
Okay, that's good. So this question by Joginda. Can you
Uh,
just read it up and then answer it?
can it automatically select the best model based on the prompt? No, we intentionally didn't do this thing because the reason is different people have different taste, different judgment for uh for models. Let's say some people think ChatGPT is the best, some people think Claude is the best, some people think Groq is the best. So we don't do this kind of like selection on behalf of the users.
Okay, that's sense.
Are you able to share chats, collaborate? You can share videos, musics, all those like generations. But for the chat, like inviting other people, like collaborate, this is on our public roadmap. This is right now we are currently only focusing on the like individual consumer users, but our next step is going towards enterprise, like going for a team, so that you can share, you can invite your team members, uh, all uh, all the like let's say like host like your company intent LLMs. This is our next step.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, can we compare different LLM outputs using one prompt? This is this is the AI chat playground. This is what we did for. You just need to input one input, and then you see the results from all different models in one window, so that you can compare and you can get the best.
Yeah. I mean, this is one of the best selling point, I believe,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah,
this question is asked when he first came in, so he haven't seen
yeah.
the
Oh yeah,
demo yet.
oh yeah. Is there a way to set output in French? Yeah, that you can definitely like prompt it. Can you please give me the result in French? It's you can just definitely you can just prompt it.
Okay. Next question.
Does it support both text and media generation? Uh, for Chat LLM, as you can see, like we support all the media generation, like image, music, video, which is like even not supported by ChatGPT, like all LLMs. Yeah, even the mind map generation and the text. Of course, text is the most straightforward generation.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this question is actually answered. Just now we just talk about the more tiers. What are the caps and all these things, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Okay. Is there a public roadmap? Yeah, we have a public roadmap. You can I can send you the I can we
Can you
have.
show it on the screen? Share in the screen.
Okay. Here you guys see this document. This is like doc.ninjatools.ai. You just put a very like great documentation, clean documentation. You can like see all the frequently asked questions, and like here is how to like activate purchase. Uh, and then this is our public roadmap here. This is our like very public roadmap. You can request features and find us from all social media. And this is like planet and in progress and the future. This is our roadmap.
Okay, that's good. Let's move to the next question.
Do you have any plans to give us ability to build agents? Um, uh, first, I don't know like what kind of like let's say agents is like very wide wide question. But what we are trying to do is that like as you can see like the writing library is kind of like agent. Let's I just on demo I just showed the Twitter post generation tool. You can say it's an agent, and then we are actually we already have if you see it in that way. But let's say for other kind of agents like you are thinking of, you can make a feature request on our public roadmap. We can think about it, and If it is something that we think like most our users wanted, we will definitely do it.
Okay, maybe I should like to add this question, to modify the question. Maybe Chaitanya was questioning, maybe can you build something like Manus agent, Manus AI or Gen Spark AI, a full agent? That means independent
Oh
agent.
yeah. Uh, Actually, like our ultimate, like very ambitious goal is to we want to build a native web browser. So
Mhm.
what it does is, okay, there's just one input like there's just one you can just input, let's say, can you buy 5 socks from Amazon? You just put it there, and then the it will go to the Amazon, find the 5 socks and buy it for you. So basically it's yeah, this is our like ultimate like very ambitious goal towards this direction. As you can see, uh the ultimate version of everything app is browser, like agents, like yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next question.
Yeah, today actually I just received an email said like Killing 2.1 is provided. The API is already out, so we can add it. So those are like depends on the API providers, like when they can give us the APIs. So yeah, this is yeah, we will add the Killing 2.1 very soon and other models as well.
Okay, let's move down. Okay, this question is quite similar to what you call the AI full AI agent. Set up multiple prompts and run one after another without human intervention. I mean, something like Manus
Yeah,
AI
you're
or
right. You're
Spark.
right. Oh yeah, I think I did like kind of like answer this question. Like basically what it does is like this is our like ultimate ambitious goal. We're not there yet. We are coming one by one. As you guys can see like on our app updates, like our like development. But it's like ultimate goal. Like can we just let's say just one input and then do like some repetitive tasks for you?
Okay. So this question is: can credit be used for any tool or X credit for images?
Yeah, it's like X credits for images, X credits for videos, like different features. We have different credit limit.
No, but just now you're saying that actually one credit is for one. No, it's not, right? For video and LTX is actually different. The maximum number of videos.
Yeah, yeah,
So there is for other LM, credits will be
yeah,
for like text based.
yeah. Right.
Okay, let's okay. Latif Mia, this is the question. Is there a maximum number of pages allowed per PDF during the analysis process?
Uh, the PDF file size is 50 megabyte, so you cannot be more than 50 megabyte.
Yeah, there's quite a lot.
Yeah,
50 meg.
you're right. Like 50 megabyte PDF is like I think it's at least a 300 page, a 400 page, 500 pages, like which is like extremely like big bulk. Big like if you like like yeah bulk or like the very huge article research papers, it's actually like very enough for average users.
Okay, for PDF analysis, so every query is considered one query.
Yeah,
So if you have 20 query mean 20 credits. So better ask properly, right?
you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Aaron is asking, is Ninja 2 GDPR compliant?
Yeah, we are GDPR compliant, and you can see from our privacy page a term of usage page from on our landing on our website.
Okay, Prakash. I think the number of tier 2 I think is how many are there?
Yeah, yeah. On demo, I think I think you might missed it. There are two models. One is killing, another one is LTX. So we definitely provide the killing AI, and then for create like for tier 2, you can just definitely check.
Okay, is webhook supported or
No,
API?
we don't. No, we are like very like we are first like currently our target is just going for like very average consumers. So we don't provide API or webhook yet, but we might provide in the future.
Okay. Is there a difference between current Epson module and the previous offer?
We this is our first time lifetime deal trial. This is like our like we never did lifetime deal before, and then before we just did subscription. On subscription, you can like it's like starting from $11 per month. Different tires, different credit for different features.
Okay. This question by Eugene. Can the same account be used on multiple devices?
Yeah, you're right. Like, of course, you can use like as long as you log in. We are web based, so you can use it on mobile or like tablet or like any kind of like PC, all kind of things.
What pixel size does your image creation have?
As I remember, Pixel has like 1040 to 1040.
Okay, thank you. Can we create videos using avatars?
No, like currently we just like prompt to video, but yes, this might be something you might add. Like you are trying to add like image to video, or even like train your avatar.
Okay, I think this one is shown during the demo. There
You're
are so
right.
many
You're right. You're right.
models. Hmm.
Yeah, a lot. Like
Okay, Joginder Singh asks, what is the time taken to generate 5 second or 10-second video, or it depends on the prompt?
LTX is faster, like around like 1 minute. But killing is like slower. It like takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Along this time, you can do something else, and you can come back to see the video generated.
Okay, does unused credit roll over?
No. So you have to like, yeah.
Okay, next question by Prince Mahmood. Do you have a native, or this one you are not going to allow API? So
Well, I don't. To be honest, I don't understand what this question means. Like
next,
API model. We are just API model interface. If you're like very technical, like just we are just yeah. Like, do you plan to add ideogram to your image generation? Yeah, like we can. Right now, we are using the Flux, the best model out there. But definitely, we can add ideogram or like other models. It's on our roadmap.
can you summarize text or article?
Yeah, you're
That's,
right. Like, of course,
I
like
mean, it just
summarize like
depend on your prompt,
yeah,
definitely.
any kind of prompt.
Okay, a lot of people are asking API. Do we have API for automation?
Yeah.
Next question by Thomas. If there are three models used in chat, does it consume 3 credits?
You're right. Yeah, sure,
Of
guys.
course.
Yeah.
Of course. Or else you will go bankrupt. Okay. Can you make several images from one prompt?
Yes, this is something on our like uh roadmap. Before then, we saw that if you just like generate like use credit a lot like at the same time, but we saw that other people are also like also request this feature. We'll do it.
Okay. So the next question, is there a multi-session memory persistency?
Yeah, for the chat there is
Okay. Next question by Ibrahim. Is it possible to add
Yeah.
a theme?
I just like kind of answered that like our enterprise plan is our next move.
Mhm. How many messages can it be stored in history?
Yeah, technically speaking, like you can store unlimited messages.
Okay, this question is unique. LTX is not useful for me. Can I use the LTX credit for clean video?
Uh, like RTX, if you like prompt like very well, it is useful. And then RTX like much more expensive model, you cannot do that. Uh, like different tire, different different like cost all for different models. So for LTX, we recommend it's helpful like in outdoor that kind of videos. And then you have for RTX, you had like prompted extremely detailed prompt.
Connected.
Can I pay as you
Powering
go?
off.
Yeah, we are exploring different payment solutions. Right now we are going with a subscription and lifetime deal, but in the future we'll like do like add on and also like pay as you go. Yeah. What's the next question?
Powering on.
Sorry guys, my speaker got problem. Sorry guys, my speaker got problem. How many prompt are there in the prompt library?
I think more than 20. Like we can add any time.
Okay, this question by Sunil Boro. Are music style or modes limited to set pattern, or can we create anything we want in the prompt?
Technically speaking, you can create anything from your prompt, but like music, it's how to say, it just generate music. It doesn't generate like song. So yeah, technically speaking, you can create any kind of like music you want.
Okay, this question be by Adnan. Can images be edited or fine-tuned?
As right now, as you can see, you can add as a picture. Let's say like you can make some addition, but like fine tuning. No, we might provide in the future. You can request on that public roadmap.
Okay, this question is most expensive. What are your plans for integrating Google VO3?
Yeah, we'll work on it. We'll add the killing 2.1 first, and then we will work on it.
Okay, can users upload scripts or storyboards?
Yeah, of course you can do anything.
Okay, I think this has been answered, So just for images is Flux.
Flux Dev, Flux model, which is the best up-to-date model right now.
Is there a size limit for audio file?
Uh, we I don't think there's somewhere you can upload audio
Powering off.
files.
Powering on. Connected.
Can we use custom GPT prompt here?
Powering off.
Yeah, of course. Actually, the writing library, it's like custom GPT.
Powering on. Connected.
Is there a browser integration plan?
It's just a website for now. We might do in the future. We will do the Chrome extension, and like our ultimate plan might be do the like Mac app. This is our uh like plan.
Okay, this question by Ivas. Does upload require a file format?
Yeah, we for like PDF chat, you
Powering
must need to
off.
like upload like DOX or the PDF. But for like, and then for the
Powering
image
on.
upload, you can
Connected.
you can upload some image then.
Powering off.
Yeah, you can request on the polyg roadmap. We think it's stable diffusion. Like Flux is the best model right now, but you can request different models.
Does it integrate with Calendly or Notion?
No, we don't integrate with any other platform.
Connected. Powering off.
Yeah, like after you find
Powering
an
on.
output, we like among the three LLMs that you prefer, you can make continuous conversation with that preferred output alone.
Powering off.
Yeah, I guess you see the demo, you can just select the one you like the most, and then you can continue the
Powering
question.
on. Connected.
Will there be any copyright issue with music tracks?
No, all generation you can use commercially.
Any integration with MySQL or Vimeo?
I don't know what kind of integration you want with MySQL or Vimeo. Like they are just database languages. I don't know what kind of integration you want.
Vimeo is a video site, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, like how can you integrate this MySQL? Like we use MySQL in underscore Postgres underscore. Yeah.
Powering on. Connected.
What is the highest video quality? I think the model killing video quality is pretty high.
Connected.
Like you can just create one per shred.
Powering off. Powering on.
Can you please turn off the thing? Like it's just very noisy.
Powering off.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but like I can also hear like power on, power off. That kind of thing.
Because it's something wrong with the hardware. Yeah, now it should be better.
Okay.
Will mobile app be released?
No, not in the like very near future. Right now, it's a web based, so you can actually like with the Chrome browser like cast. There's cast feature. You can cast the web, any kind of web, and use it as a like mobile app. There will be like icon. There will be like just like regular app, so you can use that way. If you don't know how to do it, you can just see on our document.
Okay, this question by James. Are there plans for offer expensive model like O3 and Cloud Opus 4?
As I know, like we already provided the Cloud Opus 4, and then like O3 actually like we had it before, like we removed it. We are like providing like very latest models, but for like very expensive ones, extremely expensive ones, we might like do a different credit usage plan. But for now, as you can see, there are a bunch of very expensive models, and only cost is one usage, one credit.
Okay, Sajahan asking, can I generate an image from an uploaded image?
No, not for now, but you can request on our polyg roadmap.
Why not our own key? Do you have a plan to bring our own key? People are asking.
I think I have the answer to this question, but like if you want to like get my question again, like for the best user experience, we provide the API for you. You don't need to like let's say like just worry about where to put the API key, all kind of things. we did it for you. But let's say you want to use like extremely over the plan, like that's what you are thinking, we might provide this feature in the future.
Okay, Scott said, does it work with WordPress or Shopify? I mean, maybe he means direct connection.
No, we don't. I don't think it means connection. Yeah.
Okay, what if I use all my credit but I still want more?
Yeah. Please upgrade to the highest tier.
Okay. This question, I think, is how many credit do I need to create 1 minute video with your two models?
Now you can create 5 seconds or 10 seconds of video right now. So it like 6 credits if you use 10 seconds video.
Is there a way to speak instead of typing the prompt? I mean,
Yeah, I think we might add this feature, but you can request on the future roadmap.
okay, will we get new AI model that will come into the market in future?
Yeah, of course, we are updating like every day. As you can see, the Groq is we just added recently. I will add the latest AI models as long as they released.
Are we planning to add system prompts or option to customize prompt?
Yeah. This is what we are doing, what we are currently doing right now.
So how do you want to compete with the big players? The question is.
I don't, how to say, it's not zero-sum game. There always like chance you can do something new, and yeah, I don't think they are like a browser. I don't think they are like very much players first, and then I see the market needs much more people to do it, which is like very helpful for customers. Right now, it's like very few. Like Chrome is one, Dia, like very few browsers actually.
Okay. Does it replace logo diffusion tool for logo? Not replace. Can I use it? Is it a logo creation?
Of course, you can create logo or anything on the image generation place. Image generation with prompt.
Is my data safe if I use NinjaTools?
Your data is very safe. We are just like application company. We are not a research company.
Okay, can we convert image to vector?
You can try. I think you can. On the chat, you can just upload the image and then yeah.
Okay, for scraping data from GMB, I've seen some Chrome extension that extract email, though it is not mentioned in GMP. Can Ninja do that?
No. We are not like scraping something. We're scraping email. No.
This question is too vague. Does it help me to get more traffic or sales?
This is how I am doing for NinjaTools. Like I'm just like create content on NinjaTools on our product, and then I will post it on Twitter, like link to all kind of places. Yeah, for now it's getting much more traffic. You can try that way.
Okay, funny question. What kind of business usually use Ninja tools? Anybody
Mostly
can use.
yeah, anybody can use. Mostly content creators, students, like yeah.
Are there any temporary boosts or add-ons?
This is something we will work on.
Can I use Ninja tool to write, design, and make video all
Yeah,
in one place?
yeah. This is exactly what you are doing. You are right. You can just this is the reason why we started this project. You can definitely do it.
Is there any content license from third parties?
or you don't need any content license. It's like everything you can use for commercially.
Is it easy for beginner to get started with this tool?
I think we did like very straightforward. You can like I think you can use it like very straightforward, and also we are providing onboarding call. You can book a call with me.
Can I sell images, music,
Of
and
course,
create?
of course, you can use it for commercially for any reason, any purpose.
Okay, I think we have gone through all the questions. So some are repeated. That's why I just go
You're right.
through. Okay, so it's time for us to do the giveaway. I will just put up the link, and in the meantime, Abdullah, you can just tell the audience what you want to tell while I'm putting up the link for them.
Yeah. Follow our socials and then join our Discord. We are very active on social media, so you can see our updates. And thanks for you guys' time.
Okay, guys, I will put it in the chat now, so you can just click the link and please participate. And for your information, the earlier links that appear in our Facebook group is no longer valid, so you have to resubmit your form again. Okay, so guys, please participate in the giveaway. We have five prizes to be won. Tier 1, 3 prizes. Tier 2, 2 prizes. Okay, let's see how many people are here in the chat. Not in the chat. Submitted the giveaway form. There are not many yet. So guys, while you're there, let us see any more question to be asked. I think there's some more question. Okay, this question is: many AI agent now, will your product survive? Survive with your LTD plan?
First, we are profitable. We are not doing the plan like we are not doing the like lifetime deal like the plan like very. We are doing it with mass. We are profitable. We will survive.
Okay. Yeah, I guess. Okay, I have some of the names already. Let me select the name and do the giveaway. Guys, please be fast while I'm actually collecting the names. Copy. Give me a second. Okay, I would like to share my screen now. Share my screen. Okay, we have 22 people. Let me check any more people put up your name so that we can include everybody. Okay, a few more names. Copy. Let me put it up. Okay, guys, these are the people who have participated. Abdullah, should we start now? Choose the leader. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's shuffle and start it up. So we have 5 prizes. So 3 will be tier 1 and 2 tier 2. So I will look at the name list. We'll check whether any repeated names. Okay, so there's no repeated name. I will just spin 3 times for the tier 1. If you are the winner, please type your name to make sure that you are present to claim the prize. If not, we will spin again until we get the winner. Ankit Prajapati. So I just remove your name first. Please type your name in the chat to claim your prize, or else I will just spin again if you're not present. So the second spin is here. Rohit Majahan. Okay, remove your name. Then we shuffle again. Jadip Haria. Okay, let's remove the name. So these are the first three winners, Ankit, Rohit, and Jadip. So let me check the chat. Is all of you here? Okay, Ankit, you are here. Okay. Oh, you can't see my spin. Sorry. Sorry, guy. But the names are here. Maybe I didn't share the screen just now. Okay. Rohit is here. So the last person, Ankit and Jadip. Okay, guys. Let's do the last two prizes. Vladimir Reknov. I don't know how to spell your name. You must be a Russian. Okay, congratulations. Let's spin the second winner of K2. Briefly. Okay. So are you there? The last two person? Bravely. Hold on, let me check. Okay. Ragnov and Bravely and Jadip Haria, are you there to claim your prize? Let me see. Yeah, Bravely, you are there. Who else? Let me see. Ragnov is not there. Rohi is here. Ankit is here. So there are few person not here. Let me check who are not here. Jadip is not here. Ragnov is not here. So I give you 3 seconds to be present, or else I will spin again. Jadip and Ragnov, please type your name to make sure that you can claim the prize. Okay, Ragnov, you are here. Good. So what about Jadip Haria? Jadip, please. Jadip, you're not here. I will just spin again. Okay, time's up. Jadip, I will just remove your name. Let's spin again for the last one. Hold on. Anwaro Ibrahim. So Anwaro Ibrahim, you are replacing this Jadid for the tier 1. Please claim your prize before we actually spin again. Ibrahim, Anwaro Ibrahim. Are you there? Yeah, you are there. Okay, let's see. So everybody, so this is the winner. I will just tell you who are the winner. Okay, the winners are tier 1 is Ankit, Rohit, and Anwaro Ibrahim. The tier 2 is Ragnov and Bravely. So we will announce the winners officially in our Facebook group, and we'll tell you how to claim the prize. So before we end, let's say something about this tool. Okay, Abdullah, actually this tool I find that I've used it, so it's actually the idea is good. Actually, some other competitor also having this kind of a model where you can actually have multiple model in there and many what they call a model coming in. So for me, I think the success of the tool is actually depend on the number of tools and also what type of model you are actually providing to the users. So with that, I hope you could be successful. And before we end, do you have anything to tell the audience, particularly on how to use the tool or or whatever thing that you want to tell them?
Yeah, thanks for all of you guys' time. Hope you guys all the best.
Okay,
And
guys.
And if you guys like our product, hope you guys can give good reviews on AppSumo, and also we provide this 30% lifelong affiliate, which is extremely generous. So you can sell our product on with your own link, and 30% revenue share, which is really generous.
Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. Good night and good morning for Abdullah. It's actually 7 o'clock in
Yeah.
San Francisco. He came in very early, so 6 o'clock he has to be with us. Okay, thank you, guys, and see you again in the next
See you
webinar.
guys.
Bye
Have a good
bye.
one. Bye.